Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up the process. Plug the Surface into the charger and confirm battery is above half to avoid interruptions. Once done, insert the USB recovery drive you prepared on another PC. This drive contains the OS image the Surface needs. Make sure you know the exact model and serial number in case recovery tools ask. You do not waste time with deep diagnostics yet. Start the external boot now by holding volume up and power to trigger the recovery environment. You continue by forcing the Surface to boot from USB. Press and hold volume up, then press power until the UEFI or boot menu appears. Release and choose the USB device. Once the Windows recovery environment loads, select Troubleshoot and pick Recover from a drive or reinstall Windows depending on whether you want to keep files. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Choose to keep files if possible, but accept a full reset when corruption prevents repair. Make sure the USB stays connected throughout the process. You finish by letting Windows complete its setup and by restarting the Surface once the reinstall ends. Do not remove the USB until the system signals it is safe. Once booted, run Windows Update and sign in to verify drivers and firmware installed correctly. If the recovery process fails, recreate the USB recovery media using an identical Surface model and try again because mismatched images cause errors. As a final tip, use the official Surface recovery image for external firmware restore if the device still returns to recovery mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.